What is Black Hat SEO? Black Hat is the dark side of SEO and refers to manipulative tactics used to improve a website's search engine rankings artificially. These techniques violate search engine guidelines and aim to deceive search algorithms rather than producing valuable content that provides genuine value to users. These tactics are often used to gain quick, short-term results, but can lead to severe penalties down the road. You need to be careful with Black Hat SEO because it can lead to de-indexing or a drop in rankings once discovered. Search engines, especially major ones like Google and Bing, have sophisticated algorithms and manual review teams in place to detect Black Hat SEO techniques. Recovering from a penalty involves identifying and rectifying the offending practices. This can mean removing spammy links, correcting duplicate content, or eliminating keyword stuffing. Once changes are made, webmasters can submit a reconsideration request to search engines with Google or Bing's webmaster tools. We offer a free SEO Dictionary plugin to help you create topical authority by creating a glossary of industry-specific terms. Each term will help you rank higher in search results, and you will have a ton of content to share on social media. We can help you create AI content at scale or build you a stylish new website. For more tips, check out the SeoDictionary.wiki. These are some common Black Hat techniques to be aware of. Keyword stuffing. When you overload a page with keywords in an unnatural way. Hiding text or links with the intention to display different content to search engines than to users. Toggle text is okay, but take note it's taken with less weight. Make sure important content is always visible. Cloaking. This is when you program the web server to show a different version of a page to human visitors than to search engine bots. Doorway pages. These are pages created solely for the purpose of ranking for specific keywords but provide little value to visitors. They only serve to funnel users to other parts of the site. Link schemes. This includes practices like buying or selling lots of links, excessive link exchanges, or using automated programs for link building. Your link building needs to appear natural. Duplicate content. This involves copying content from other websites to massively increase the volume of pages and keywords. Negative SEO. This involves maliciously attempting to harm a competitor's search engine rankings through low-quality link spamming. Comment spamming. This involves leaving irrelevant comments that offer no value with links on blogs, forums, news articles, etc. The intention is to generate more backlinks, but this tactic is considered spammy. Link farms. A link farm is a group of websites that all hyperlink to each other in the group. They are created with the aim of manipulating search engine algorithms by increasing the number backlinks. URL hijacking or typosquatting. This involves creating a website with a URL very similar to a popular website, often a misspelling or typo, in hopes of getting traffic from people who mistype that URL. Social networking spam. This involves spamming social networking sites like Facebook by posting irrelevant or inappropriate links or comments. Domain squatting. This involves registering or using an internet domain name with bad faith to profit from the goodwill of a trademark belonging to someone else. All these techniques violate search engines' terms of service and can result in your website being banned from search engines. It's recommended to practice white hat SEO techniques that focus on building relevant, high-quality content. Black hat SEO may offer fleeting victories, but the ultimate cost is the loss of trust, credibility, and the downfall of your digital empire.